Step 1. Scan and design. Accurately capturing raw scan data of maxillary and mandibular arches can be achieved in one of two ways. The first method is by scanning the patient's mouth using a preferred intraoral scanning device and associated software to capture critical topology of the affected region of the mouth. The second method to capture raw scan data is by scanning a fully cured dental stone model poured from traditional dental impression systems using a high-resolution desktop dental scanner. Import raw scan data to your preferred dental design software suite to produce designed dentures. Convert the raw scan data into a watertight 3D printable model if desired. It is highly recommended to add support bars across the lingual areas of the denture base design to stabilize the base while printing. Offset sockets of denture base up to 150 microns to minimize grinding to properly seat the denture arch to the denture base. Step 2. Nesting. Find and apply the Rodin Denture Base material-specific support strategy profile. Add support structures where additional support may be critical, such as in the first areas where the supports make contact with the denture base. It is best to orientate denture bases at a 45-degree angle with supports making contact with the occlusal and incisal surfaces. Avoid placing supports in adaptive sensitive areas such as denture base sockets and tissue contacting surfaces if possible. Step 3. Printing. Stir or roll Rodin Denture Base resin in the original bottle as recommended prior to printing. Slice the nested design file with your desired 3D printer software and proceed to print. Step 4. Cleaning. Carefully remove the denture base from the build plate using a razor blade or clippers. Wash printed trays in 99% IPA in a vortex or ultrasonic bath for 5 minutes, then move semi-clean parts to a secondary vortex or ultrasonic bath with fresh 99% IPA for an additional 5 minutes. Use compressed air to remove excess IPA and/or residual uncured resin. Repeat cleaning procedure, if necessary, until the denture base is thoroughly cleaned, leaving a shine-free, matte finish. Step 5. Support removal and adjustments. Remove support tips and pits from printed green state restorations using a dental handpiece with a dull carbide burr at low speeds. Recontour teeth and make occlusal adjustments if needed. Microfracturing may occur if restoration or provisional is post-cured prior to support removal and making occlusal adjustments. Step 6. Assembly and characterization. Apply a light coat of Rodin glaze into the sockets of the denture base. To assemble the component, fully seat the tooth arch into the denture base socket. Once assembled, the denture base can be characterized with glaze product and light cured. Step 7. Light curing. Follow recommended time and temperature schedules if applicable using validated light curing devices, including the application of light curable stain and/or glaze products to the restoration and denture base. Step 8. Post-curing adjustments. Post-curing must be performed to be in compliance with FDA regulations. Make adjustments to occlusion after light curing. Applied light curable stains and/or glazes if applied too heavily.